If I had to make 50,000 rupees this month using only free AI tools, this is exactly what I would do. Most people fail with AI for a one simple reason. They randomly try tools. No system, no workflow, no outcome. In this video, I will show you one simple AI based method, not theory, that is realistic to reach around 50,000 rupees a month if you actually execute. Here's the opportunity most beginners completely miss. Business don't need AI expert. They don't care what tool you use. They care about one thing only, results. Results like content for their website, emails for their customers, social media posts, simple blog articles. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing advanced. And this is exactly where AI fits in. AI doesn't replace you. AI assists you. It does around 80% of the work, drafting, structuring, speeding things up. The remaining 20%, humans handle that. Cleaning the output, adjusting the tone, formatting it properly, delivering it on time. That's what client actually pay for. This model is called AI assisted freelance content work. You are not selling AI, you are selling finished output, content writing, social caption, basic blogs, email draft. And the reason this works so well because of high demand, low skill barrier, and it works perfect with free AI tools. That's the opportunity, not hype, not magic, just execution. If someone watch this and still say AI income is fake, they are not confused, they are avoiding execution. Let's talk about tools. Starting with ChatGPT. And no, you don't need the paid version. The free version is enough to start earning. Biggest mistake beginners make. They think prompts need to be fancy, long, complicated. They don't. What you actually need is structure. Most people type this, write something about marketing, and then they wonder why the output is bad. That's not AI problem. That's a direction problem. Here is the better way to do it. Write 5 Instagram caption for a small fitness brand. Tone, friendly, motivating, audience, beginner, goal, engagement. That's it. No magic word, no advanced trick. Look at this output. Suddenly the AI makes sense because now you are not fighting it. You are directing it. Now comes your part. You edit, shorten sentence, fix the tone, remove fluff. AI isn't replace you. AI is making you faster. If someone says ChatGPT doesn't work, what they really mean is I don't know how to give instruction. Now comes the boring part and also the most powerful part, finishing work faster. This is where free tools like TinyWorf come in, not to create content but to finish it properly. With TinyWorf, you can summarize long content, rewrite rough draft, clean formatting, turn messy text into deliverable. These aren't fancy features, they are time saver. And this matters for a one simple reason. Clients don't pay for creativity, they pay for finished work on time. Deadline matters more than talent. Here is the rough data. Now watch what happened after cleaning, formatting and rewriting. Same content, but now it looks professional. This saves hour, and when you save time, you can take more work or finish early and still get paid. That's how AI actually increase income. If you skip this, you stay slow, and slow freelancer don't scale. This is the part most people avoid, the math. Not motivation, not mindset, just numbers. Let's keep this simple. Assume you charge 500 rupees per task. A task can be something small. For example, 5 social media caption, 1 short blog draft, 1 email sequence, nothing advanced, nothing complicated. Now imagine doing just 4 tasks a day. That's it. Not 10, not 20, just 4. 500 into 4 tasks is equal to 2000 per day, and 2000 into 25 working days is equal to 50,000 per month. This is not guaranteed, but it is possible and it is realistic if you execute. So, where do clients come from? Freelance platform, direct outreach, remote content gigs. You don't need all of them. You need one platform, one method, and consistency. The skill is simple, the execution is what most people skip, and that's the real difference. If someone says 50,000 is impossible, they are not arguing with math, they they are arguing with effort. Let me tell you why most people still fail. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they don't execute. Mistake 1. They overlearn tool, watch tutorials, never contact a single client. Learning feels productive. It isn't. Mistake 2. They wait to feel ready. More confidence, more clarity, more practice. That moment never comes. Mistake 3. They expect AI to do magic. AI won't save you. AI won't chase client. AI won't deliver work for you. Execution will. If this part feels uncomfortable, good. Where growth actually starts. AI doesn't make you rich, execution does. If you want daily AI hacks that actually save time, simplify work, and help you earn, this channel is built for that. No fake promise, no tool overload, no get rich quick nonsense, just a practical AI used the right way. Subscribe to AI Hacks Daily. Next video, I will share the exact prompt and the simple workflow I would personally use as a beginner.